So ayun guys, aside from the blueberries that we picked up, meron din pala silang raspberry, wild raspberry. Let's try this one. Mukbang. What's up guys, it's me Chester, your Pinoy countryman here in New York. Today medyo na-bored ako sa bahay and I'm thinking of going to a place where you can detoxify, free from stress, and not just free from stress but really to commune with nature also. So gagawin natin, we will go to a place na maraming kahoy, maraming makikita na place. So punta tayo ng they call it I actually forgot the name of the place, but I'm thinking of going sa one of the state parks near my area. Just 25 minutes to drive there. So yun, medyo mainit din kasi ngayon, and then tsaka malapit na rin yung fall. So yun, seize the day and enjoy the warm weather. So yun, bali gagawin natin ngayon. I'm driving to that place now, heading to that place. Mahirap pag ma-bored ka sa place, and then iba kasi sa Pinas eh. Pag nasa Pinas, you can just go to the mall. Yung mall kasi nila dito ano lang I don't know if you call it a mall, but if you compare it in the Philippines, they look like just a S&R or hypermarket or Costco. So yun, medyo maliit lang. And instead of going to the mall, I would rather go to a park, state park, because you can see a lot of things, not just trees and other thing, but also animals na rear. Just a simple thing. Iba kasi sa Pinas pag bored ka, all you have to do is you can do karaoke and then sing with your friends, probably with your parents or your relatives in the area, or yun. But here you really have to look for a place, or not just look for a place, but make yourself happy and busy. And yun. And one of the things that you make yourself busy and be entertained would be visit some place like parks, state parks. And yun. So ito yung naisip ko. And I'm driving solo. I'm always driving solo. Wala kasing forever. Kidding aside, I hope hindi maraming tao. Konti lang yung tao. Focus muna ako sa drive, guys,
2,000 years later.
Like the old canal, I chop you down, dirty old town. dirty old town. I met my love by the Gospels wall. Dream a dream like the old good old. I tuck you down.
1 hour later.
Why do we always hurt the one we love? Oh, no, 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 no. Why do we always hurt the one we love?
A few moments later.
Some people go, some people go. Na 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 na. Rather go.
A few moments later.
So ayun guys, I just arrived in the area. Sobrang ganda ng place guys. Well, this is just the parking lot. It's not yet the whole thing. Medyo konti lang yung tao. Ganyan. Yun. I'm not quite sure guys kung this is a state park or just probably a public park. So ito yung name ng park guys. Stiggy Hill Nature Preserve. It's under Finger Lakes Land Trust. So yun. And ang ganda ng place. I can also hear the sound of the small plane. Bawal pala biking dito guys. I even think of bringing my bike. Yun. Akala ko ako lang tao. May paparating pa. And so I guess this is it. Stiggy Hill Nature Preserve. So you can see a black bear, coal skink. Oh, I don't like this one. An eastern timber rattlesnake. This one, I don't like that one. Yan. And the bear. Buti na lang guys. I always bring my
Bali, if I see some, or well, basically hindi naman sila aggressive, the black bear, but if they'll attack you or go nearer on you, all you have to do is to use your whistle. And the whistle is really helpful. And then other than that, I also brought here my two-way radio. So in case I need some emergency, I also have the radio with me. So yun. One thing that I am afraid of is yung rattlesnake, yung timber rattlesnake. Or not just rattlesnake, but kahit anong snake, guys. I really don't like. I'm afraid of. Even garden snake na walang kamandag. I just really hate it. Oh, someone's swooping in here. Maybe a bear. May tumahi, guys, but I don't know. Or baka yung aso kanina. So yun, ganda ng place, guys. See? Now we're entering. What's this? Is it a bird? Oh, okay. This is a mosquito thing. It's a mosquito trap or an insect trap. Hi. Good, how are you? Have a good day. Oh, meron din pala ditong nag-betray. Yun. But I don't know I can do that. Medyo kukulangin tayo sa hangin. Diba kasi pag ano yun payat si kuya, medyo hindi naman mataba, sabihin na lang natin chubby is the new sexy daw, guys. So yun, wala na si kuya. I hope we can see some bears. Galing. I don't know what are they going to do with an insect trap. Well, every now and then kasi, guys, may mga students here, I think those who are studying forestry and I don't know how do they call them, biology, those who are studying animals also, every now and then they have to check all this, since this is a conservatory, or how do they call it, so kailangan nila mag-check here for a habitat place for wild animals. So yun, daming kahoy na patay. Sa Pinas pa to. Kung sa Pinas pa to, ginawa ng panggatong. Kaya pa, guys, hinihinga lang. Daming kahoy, pwedeng panggatong. Kaya pa, guys, hinihinga lang. Wala matanda na. Wait, did I lock the car? Parang di ko nalock yung sasakyan. Well, nakakapagod bumalik Well, anyways, wala namang magnanakaw dito. Meron naman, kaso probably downtown. But here, hindi na to downtown So, I don't think so someone will steal the car. Dali, guys. Wait, I just have to catch my breath. Nakakapagod. Alam nyo, guys, parang maaga ngayon ang fall. It's just that may nakikita na ako mga puno na nag-change na yung kulay ng leaves. Some have changed, well, from green to yellow, and then from green to pink, and then purple, from green to purple. So I'll show you something, guys. Ito, dito na lang kasi mas malapit. So I don't know if these mushrooms are edible, but I've seen a lot of this, you know. Yan. I've seen a lot of that dun sa area namin. But I'm not quite sure if they are edible. Kasi kung edible sila, masarap yan. Masarap. Lagyan ng gata. Ayun guys, oh. Shit, okay. Ayun, oh. Yan. Sarap siguro niyan. Ayun, oh. Sobrang laki nila, guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwedeng kainin. But I tried to smell them, you know, out of curiosity. Yung amoy nila, guys, yung amoy nila parang cultured mushroom yung sa Pinas. Yeah, because I worked in the Department of Agriculture before, and every now and then I was able to monitor some projects that they propagate mushrooms. So yun, they have the same smell, the same texture, but I'm not an expert of mushrooms, so I don't want to jeopardize everything or jeopardize my life just with that small, or that big mushroom. So yun. Pahinga muna tayo, guys. Medyo makahingal. Sarap. Yun. So, especially now na pandemic, or with this COVID thing, I don't know how the people, or coping up from this anxiety, fear. We have to face the reality na every now and then hindi stable yung mind and thinking ng tao dahil sa pandemic. So in order for us to cope from this thing, then we have to find a way that not just entertain us, but channel our mind into positive side, instead na mag-focus, well, yun, kasama naman yun. With all the, it's part of it na hindi mawawala na makapag-isip ka ng negative, but don't dwell too much on it. Kasi tendency, baka ikaw yung maparanoia. So, you really have to find ways that will entertain yourself and to go away with this anxiety and fear. So, one way na ginawa ko, ito, umakyat sa bundok. And for sure naman, well, I am fully vaccinated. I think 7 months ago, yun. So I am free to go wherever I want, but I choose to go into a place na hindi maraming tao. Because I still have to be cautious enough with this thing kasi hindi natin nakikita yung kalaban natin kung saan dumadating. So, yun. One thing that I did is just be here, commune with nature, and try to refresh your mind and think positive and let go of everything and let God and allow yourself to be not just to be refreshed but also to well, this is a technical word, but to reboot everything, let the positive vibes na pumasok sa mind mo, not just your mind but your whole being per se, or the integrality of human person. Kasi hindi lang naman tayo emotional but also physical, spiritual, and yun, dapat integral yung approach natin with this pandemic issue. So, yun. And then masarap sa pakiramdam kasi you learn to aside sa you appreciate nature, but also it gives you a deeper realization na at the end of the day we are human, and whether we like it or not, only God knows kung ano yung plano niya sa atin, and then God's way is not our way. So all we have to do really is to depend on Him and really allow yourself to be driven by the power of God. And at the end of the day, we know God is not deaf, mute, or numb na hindi niya pakinggan yung hinaing natin, our plea, yung saloobin natin. So yun, we are just really dependent on Him. Well, yan isa to sa mga reflection ko na naiisip ko ngayon. We are not really the author of our life, only Him, the Supreme Being. So yun. Sa totoo, hinihingal na ako. Sa totoo guys, hinihingal ako. Tinamad, so I just have to sit on these branches. So ang galing guys, aside from seeing a lot of trees and beauty of nature, you can also pick up some wild blueberries. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Ito. I'll try to pick up a lot, then let's try the taste. Galing. Yung blueberries this season is not that really good kasi it's been raining a lot, so yun, hindi maganda yung tubo ng blueberries. Suppose I also pick up some wild raspberries. Kaso ano sila ngayon, hindi gaano namunga kasi guys, oh. Yan. Maliliit kasi puro ulan ng ulan. also really need to balance everything. Not just raining all the time, but you know, di lang ulan ng ulan. Yan guys, oh. Titikman natin. Harap. Sobrang tamis. Kaso ayun, oh. Sobrang liit. Okay, no, saan ako kukuha ng cuttings? I was thinking kung saan makakakuha ng blueberries. Kaso, usually, the blueberries, they grow in, they usually grow in a sandy place. So, yung malapit sa dagat, malapit sa dagat, marami-raming berries doon. And then, for propagation, hindi sila hindi sila tumutubo ng seeds but cuttings. So yan, may dalawa. So basically, you have to do cuttings in order to have a, what do you call that one? Blueberry. So since I know where to get them, I know where to get the blueberry. So yun, dito na ako kukuha. But not this time. Medyo late na magtanim. Kasi palapit na yung fall. And then after fall, winter again. Another sacrifice. Yun. Ay, ito guys. Ito, may malaki. Medyo malaki. Hindi naman malaki. So, ayan o. Then usually guys, may narinig ako. Usually guys, ito yung mga kinakain ng black bear. They eat a lot of berries. And honey, wild honey. So ayun guys, aside from the blueberries that we picked up, meron din pala silang raspberry, wild raspberry. Let's try this one. Mukbang. So ito guys, let's just try also this raspberry. Yun, sobrang bango niya. Tamis. Matamis na kami ito. Mabango. Sweet at the same time. There's a fruity smell. Para kang umamoy ng cologne or perfume na fruity flavor. Crap. What's up again mga kagiliw? It's me again, Chester, your Pinoy countryman here in New York. I'm happy because I was able to conquer and at least finish the almost half of the path. So yun, medyo nakakapagod pero worth it. I was able to recharge and I was able to refresh. And also, yun, really I was really entertained with nature and also the wild fruits that I was able to to harvest. Supposed to be para sa bear yun, but then I deprive them with their own food. But anyways, tikim lang naman eh. Hindi naman gaano, hindi naman marami, but tumikim lang ako. So yun, saya guys. Masarap na, alam mo yung ma-refresh ka. Tsaka, tag ito, yung mind mo is parang nagkaroon ka na rin ng mini retreat. Just to go away with this pandemic. But anyways, other than that, punta na tayo ngayon sa parking lot. Check our car kung nandun pa kasi I wasn't able, I don't know, I'm not quite sure if I locked it. But again, I think I was able. But anyways, yun. Yun guys, I hope you will also find time that you can, retreat, refocus, and then reboot your mind probably. Kasi mahirap pag, hindi naman sa tinatakot ko kayo, but you still have to take care of your mind and spirit. So yun, and I hope sa next na mga travel ko guys, hindi naman traveling to other country, but at least sa mga forest area, you will also watch them. And I hope hindi kayo nagsasawa na tingnan yung pangit kong mukha. And yun. And thank you very much for watching in and tuning in, and I hope you like, share, and interact with me through comment box. And I'll take your word. I'll take your words as constructive criticism kasi bagwan pa naman ako mag-vlog. So yun, and again, thank you very much, and I hope to see you on my next vlog, and bye bye for now.